Circle rolled all down the street, found a beach, oh what a treat. Jumped in waves and spun around, making splashes all around. Sign! Shapes on vacation, hip hooray. Circle, square and triangle play. Round and pointy, big and small. Shapes can travel, one and all. Freeze! Triangle climbed a mountain high, touched the clouds up in the sky. Pointy hat and smiling face, she shouted loud, I love this place. Shape Square built a house with sides so neat, 4 little walls and a comfy seat. Door so straight and windows bright.